Yo, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant, welcome back to the channel. Hot off the Amazon delivery truck is my copy of Returnal for the PlayStation 5. Now what I'm going to do in this video is unbox it, show you guys what the packaging for the game is like, then we're going to get the game loaded up onto the PlayStation. Once we've done that, I'll show you guys the intro on my 65-inch LG C10 OLED. Starting off then, around the front, and we have Returnal written in yellow, and just behind that we have some nice artwork. Below we see the PEGI rating, and this is 16. Moving on round to the back then, and starting at the top, we can see we have 3 screenshots from the game, and it says break the cycle. Moving on down, we've got a few pointers just there. And I think the one that really stands out is immerse yourself with 3D audio, adaptive triggers and fast loading. Moving closer to the bottom, and as we can see, it is a single player game, has network features, requires a minimum of 59 gigabytes of space, and has vibration function and trigger effects supported. Let's get this box open then. And well, unfortunately, there isn't a great deal to look at. So we do have this pamphlet on the left, which basically tells you to go and have a look at the health and safety sort of information on the PlayStation. And let's be honest, nobody is going to ever do that. And then we have the disc itself. So again, just got the Returnal logo there in yellow, and that's about it. So let's pop it in the PlayStation. Okie dokie, we have the game all installed now then. So let's crack on. Well, there you go then guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that brief unboxing and those few cutscenes there. Gotta say, it looks really nice already, but I will be doing a full dedicated video to this game very soon, so make sure you subscribe for that. And if you have enjoyed this video today, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.